I did a poll where I asked, what's your biggest weakness when it comes to slow speed maneuvers? And many of you said having steady RPMs. So in this quick video, I'm going to cover why I think riders struggle when it comes to steady RPMs and how to fix it. So hang tight. Hey guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy, and welcome to my channel, where I pass on riding tips, practice drills, and defensive riding strategies. Now, I'm a rider coach, a motorcycle sergeant, and owner and instructor at ProRider Central Texas. Now, let's talk about the reasons so many riders have trouble when it comes to having steady throttle or RPMs when making slow speed turns. Well, what I have found is that when riders turn the handlebars, it is natural for the wrist to roll down, which causes the high revs. Now, for some, this happens when they turn the handlebars to the left, and for others, it will happen when they turn the handlebars to the right. Now, this next video is going to show you what this looks like. Now, when you watch it, I want you to notice how my wrist is rolling down. So let's check it out. Okay, so now that we know why this happens, how do we fix it? Well, actually, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is stiffen up your wrist just enough to keep it from rolling when you're turning the handlebars, which looks like this. Now, there may be times when you rev a little when making your turns. This is not a big deal. This still happens to me from time to time. But this tip will help you be more consistent when it comes to throttle control. Now, let me know in the comment section below if you got value from this video. And if you did, don't forget to like it and share it. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.